Helo a chroeso i'r cyngerdd Nadolig arbennig yma gan Only Boys Aloud. Hello and welcome to this very special Christmas concert. Like everybody else, we've had our fair share of challenges this year, but I'm delighted that we have been able to carry on with weekly rehearsals for Only Boys Aloud. They've been virtual rehearsals, of course, but it has meant that the boys have been able to learn some new repertoire which you'll hear this evening. And they've also been able to create new partnerships with organisations including the NHS and the Forget Me Not Choir. But you will understand when I say that we do need your support to carry on with the work that we do with young people across Wales. And there will be opportunities during this evening for you to see how you can support us. But in the meantime, I wish you a safe and happy Christmas. Nadolig diogel a llawen iawn I chi gyd a mwynhewch y cyngerdd.
Come, they told me, a newborn king to see, our finest gifts we bring,
Hello, I'm Craig Yates, the Acting Musical Director for Aloud, and I'll be guiding you through this evening's concert. Thank you to Menna for her warm welcome, and I hope you enjoyed Only Boys Aloud there singing a brand new version of The Little Drummer Boy, Peace on Earth. The boys have been learning that song virtually since the start of November, and that's the first time we've heard it sung as a full choir. This concert will be a mixture of new videos and some of the songs that the boys have recorded over the past few months. We have also asked all of our ambassadors to take part in this concert, and I'm delighted to introduce you to our youth ambassador, Callum Howells, an ex-member of Only Boys Aloud, and now a star of stage and screen. Over to you, Callum.
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief, and I in my cap, had just settled down for a long winter's nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from the bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. When what to my wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer, now Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner, on Blitzen, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away all. And then, in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my hand and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur, from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he'd flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples how merry, his cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard of his chin was as white as the snow. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings, and then turned with a jerk, and laying his finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, as he drove out of sight, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Thank you, Callum. Now on to another past member of Only Boys Aloud who has gone on to great things. Back in July, the boys recorded this version of Billy Joel's River of Dreams, and we're delighted that Tom Hyer joined us on this track.
From the mountains of faith to the river so deep, I must be looking for something sacred and low. But the river is wide and it's too hard to cross. And even though I know the river is wide, I walk down every evening and stand on the shore. I try to cross to the opposite side so I can finally find what I've been looking for. is a fade to the river so deep. In the middle of the night, I go walking in my sleep. Mine is a fade, river so deep in the middle of the night. I go walking in
Hello, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed performing it. Boys, thank you so much for singing with me. Absolutely loved every single minute of it. Now, my name's Tom Hire. I'm a West End actor, currently living in London. I was a founding member of Only Boys Allowed, and I was lucky enough to be a part of it for those first amazing few years of the project. I saw it. I went to the first rehearsal in Merthyr Tydfil and went all the way through to Britain's Got Talent final, Coronation Festival at Buckingham Palace, just to name a few. So, you know, how to sum up how amazing the whole experience was, I actually can't put into words. And for me personally, it had a massive effect on my sort of trajectory and where I wanted to be. When I started Only Boys Allowed, singing and performing was just a hobby. And what it made me realise, the performance experience and the people who I worked with, the team captains, made me realise that maybe I should actually pursue this as a career. And Only Boys Allowed was a game changer. I was actually going to study geography at York University, and I'd picked my accommodation and everything. And I remember speaking to the guys at Only Boys Allowed, and they were like, you know, are you sure you don't want to apply to go and do, you know, acting in musical theatre? I was like, yeah, I'm sure. Anyway, long story short, I ended up applying to drama school, ended up getting into the Guildford School of Acting, and had the best 3 years of my life. And I'm now an actor who's been in shows such as Miss Saigon, Joseph, Footloose, The Dreamers, Bear, to name a few, as well as some original work, and I'm loving it. And I can't imagine doing anything else. I certainly wouldn't be doing geography if I stuck with that. So I think my point is that Only Boys Allowed is such an amazing thing. The people I met, the experiences I had to nurture me as a person, as a young boy, was absolutely amazing, and I can't put it into words how incredible it was. And it's amazing that it's still going, and it needs to keep going. And that brings me on to you guys at home. Only Boys Allowed is run by the Allowed charity, and they need your donations to keep going, keep bringing this amazing experience for these boys, to keep singing. And you know, I think the main point I want to leave with you is that it's so much more than singing. The camaraderie and the sense of belonging that I had, and I know that the boys still have now, generations after generations, every single year, is something that cannot be achieved anywhere else. And for some of these boys, it gives them the chance to leave home and to give them an activity where they mix with other people and they see other circles, and it broadens their horizons. And it's they would not do that if they didn't have Only Boys Allowed. It's such an incredible thing. The musicianship and the performance skills are just a tiny bit of it. It's the best thing to come out of Wales. I know I'm biased, but it's the best thing to come out of Wales, and it has to keep going. So I would love you to keep supporting the Allowed charity and keep supporting Only Boys Allowed for the next generations to benefit from this wonderful thing as much as I and lots of my friends have. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Thanks.
Thank you, Tom. Now back to Christmas, and another of Allowed's ambassadors will sing with us in this song. We're delighted to be joined by singer, songwriter and Grammy Award winner Amy Wadge in this brand new version of Silent Night.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, around your virgin Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace.
Happy Christmas to everyone in OBA. I hope you have a lovely Christmas and a brilliant new year. Stay safe. Lots of love.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there?
Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere?
Have you ever felt like you could disappear?
Like you could fall and no one would hear?
Well, let that lonely feeling wash away.
Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay.
'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand.
And someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around, you will be found. You will be found.
You will be found.
You will be found. You'll be found.
Someone will come running to take you home. Someone will come running to take you home.
Even when the dark comes crashing through.
are not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. You are not. You are not alone.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you,
when you're broken on the ground,
you will be found.
The incredibly powerful You Will Be Found for the musical Dear Evan Hansen, recorded when we were allowed to stand next to each other. As you might know, Only Boys Allowed is facilitated by the Allowed charity. A lot of people don't realise that our very existence relies on the charity receiving donations. Despite everything that's happened in 2020, OBA has been delivering weekly rehearsals throughout the lockdown, and now we really need your support. We understand that money has been really tight for a lot of people this year, but if you are in a position to donate just a few pounds, dollars, yen, euros, whatever you have, then please support us today and help make a big difference to the charity. There are two ways you can donate tonight. Firstly, by phone. Please get out your phones right now and text with me to give £4 a month. What's that, the price of a coffee? Here we go. So let's start a new message. Unlock the phone first. And we type the word allowed, A-L-O-U-D, and send that to 70450. That's 70450. And click send. Easy as that. Terms and conditions are on the website, and you can stop your donation at any time. You can also text ALLOUD20, A-L-O-U-D, 20, to 70085 to make a one-off donation tonight of £20. All the details are on the screen. And secondly, by visiting our website www.allowed.cymru/donate to set up a regular gift or one-off payment of any amount. You can also find information about becoming a Calon member there too. We are so grateful for all donations, but setting up a regular gift makes your support go much further. A small regular gift means we can plan more confidently for the future and give the boys that we work with the best experiences and opportunities possible. Thank you so much. Last month, we were due to perform at the Nurse of the Year Awards in Cardiff. Obviously, this was unable to happen, but we wanted to mark the occasion and thank all of the incredible frontline staff for the work they are doing. We asked West End star Sophie Evans to join us on this very special track.
when all the world is a hopeless jumble and the raindrops tumble all around, heaven opens a magic way. When all the clouds darken up the skyway, there's a rainbow highway to be found, leading from your window there to a place behind
Nadolig Llawen, Only Boys Allowed. Well, who would have thought that in 2020 the Only Boys Allowed Christmas concert was going to be delivered in this format? But brilliant that we're able to do this, that you're able to do this. And it's been inspirational seeing the way that Only Boys Allowed has managed to keep going throughout the really difficult year that we've all had with the COVID-19 pandemic. It seems like ages away since I was in Disneyland Paris conducting you in my last concert with you all. And of course, I was really looking forward to coming back and conducting the Academy and then the 10th anniversary concerts that were supposed to happen in October. But I really hope that 2021 is going to be that 10th anniversary year that we all want so much. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all again. And I just want to say the hugest of congratulations to the trustees of the Allowed charity, the amazing Allowed charity team, to team captains, to the community leaders, and most of all, to all of the boys in Only Boys Allowed. Keep going. We will come out of this. We're going to be better. We're going to be stronger. And we're going to have gained so many skills and new ways of working as a result. Nadolig Llawen, I chi gyd, a cariad mawr.
Thank you, Tim. Every year we hold a residential course called our Only Boys Allowed Academy. This is for 32 of our boys who are more serious about pursuing a career in the performing arts. We unfortunately couldn't hold the course this year, but on what should have been the opening concert, the boys released this incredible version of The Prayer.
I pray you ye arise, and watch us where we go, and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe. And I pray we'll find your light with your hearting time, and hold it in our heart. All day our when stars go out to shine, die das Schulen let this be our prayer, Randa Harim Kri, shadows fill our day. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be safe. A world where pain and sorrow will be ended, and every heart that's broken will be mended. Oh, you are Destinado y free.
An extract from A Child's Christmas in Wales by Dylan Thomas. And then the presents, after the Christmas box. And the cold postman with a rose on his button nose tingled down the tea tray slithered run of the chilly glinting hill. He went in his ice-bound boots like a man on fishmonger's slabs. He wagged his bag like a frozen camel's hump, dizzily turned the corner on one foot, and by God, he was gone. Get back to the presents. They were useful presents, engulfing mufflers of old coach days and mittens made for giant sloths, zebra scarves of a substance like a silky gum that could be tug-o-war down to the galoshes, blinding tam-o'-shanters like patchwork tea cozies, and bunny-suited busbies and balaclavas for victims of head-shrinking tribes. From aunts who always wore wool next to the skin, there were moustached and rasping vests that made you wonder why the aunts had any skin left at all. And once I had a little crotcheted nosebag from an aunt, now, alas, no longer whinnying with us. And pictureless books in which small boys, though warned with quotations not to, would skate on Farmer Giles's pond, did, and drowned. And books that told me everything about the wasp, except why. Go on to the useless presents. Bags of moist and many-coloured jelly babies, and a folded flag, and a false nose, and a tram conductor's cap, and a machine that punched tickets and rang a bell, never a catapult. Once, by mistake that no one could explain, a little hatchet, and a celluloid duck that made, when you pressed it, a most unduck-like sound. A mewing moo that an ambitious cat might make who wished to be a cow. And a painting book in which I could make the grass, the trees, the sea, and the animals any colour I pleased. And still, the dazzling sky-blue sheep are grazing in the red field under the rainbow-billed and pea-green birds. Hard-boiled, toffee, fudge, and all sorts. Crunches, cracknels, humbugs, glaciers, marzipans, and butterwelsh for the Welsh. And troops of bright tin soldiers who, if they could not fight, could always run. And snakes and families and happy ladders and easy hobby games for little engineers complete with instructions. Oh, easy for Leonardo. And a whistle to make dogs bark and wake up the old man next door and make him beat on the wall with his stick and shake our picture off the wall. And a packet of cigarettes. You put one in your mouth, you stood on the corner of the street, and you waited in hours in vain for an old lady to scold you for smoking. And then with a smoke, you ate it. And then it was breakfast under the balloons.
Thank you so much, Matthew. Only Boys Allowed is run by a fantastic team of people, from those in the office, to our choir leaders, to our board of trustees, and our volunteer community leaders. We couldn't do what we do without any of these people. Now, I really wanted all of these people to feature in this concert, so get ready for a very special, unique version of Let It Snow.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I bought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. And the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really grab me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
There are so many reasons why I support OBA and became a Callum member. When you see the sparkle in your son's eyes and the grin from ear to ear at just the thought of rehearsing and singing with his OBA friends. Or he's up early on a Saturday morning, washed, dressed, showered, eager, ready to go for a full day rehearsal. I mean, come on, everyone knows how difficult it is to get a teenage boy out of bed any time before lunch on a Saturday. When you see him grow in confidence from the skills he's learned, and healthcare professionals tell you that singing is doing wonders to his asthma. You get a phone call, he's hundreds of miles away, singing with his friends, he's having a blast. He's experienced something money can't buy, and yet you know he's safe under the watchful eye of talented, kind and caring team members, team captains and staff. And then you hear the boys sing. The hairs on the back of your neck stand up and you get a lump in your throat. It blows you away. This wonderful organisation offers individuals such an opportunity. They're a community. They're not just a group of boys coming together. They're friends and they make lifelong friends. They learn so many skills and they grow in confidence. And all of this produces a fantastic sound and makes them one of the most amazing choirs going. That's why I support OBA.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm afraid we are nearing the end of this virtual concert, but we have one more incredible piece of music to go. A huge thank you to the whole Aloud team for everything they have done in this very challenging year. Thank you all for joining us wherever you are in the world. We're going to finish with another of Aloud's ambassadors. Welsh opera singer and Grammy Award winner Rebecca Evans has recorded Adeste Fidelis with our Only Boys Aloud Academy. Have a fantastic Christmas and stay safe.